This is our story, a story of unforbidden love.
There is a time to be alone. Each one of us is separate being our home. There is a time when we conspire to come together and unite our heart desire. To sing in one voice, to feel with one part, to make a love choice, this is find heart. To celebrate our differences and realize the gift it is. To raise a joy-free noise with one voice. There is a place that we can go, inside a little private world we can call our home. There is a place that we can rise above, to unify and celebrate the way we love.
There comes a time when we heed a certain call, when the world must come together as one. There are people dying, and it's time to lend a hand to life. We can't go on pretending day by day that someone, somewhere, soon will make a change. We are all part of God's big family. And the truth, you know, love is all we need.
Leaves will soon grow from the bareness of trees, and all will be alright in time. From waves overgrown come the calmness of seas, and all will be alright in time. Wounds from the past will eventually heal, and all will be alright in time. I could tell you I was fragile, I could tell you I was weak, I could write you out a letter. I never thought that I would see the day that I decide if I should leave or stay. But in the end, what makes it worth the fights? That no matter what happens, we try to make it right. And in that move, you'll come eye to eye with the unpronounceable truth.
Hey, I can change. I want to show you that this whole world can be as one.
Hey, I can change. I can show you that this whole world can be as one.
Hey, I can change. I want to show you that this whole world can be as one.
So this is our story, a story of unforbidden rule.